What is a fashion designer's salary? A fashion designer's salary can vary depending on the years of experience, level of education, and location. However, the median salary for fashion designers in the United States is around $64,000. The work of a fashion designer can be extremely challenging, but it can also be very rewarding. A fashion designer is responsible for the overall look and feel of the clothing line, and must be able to design clothes that are both stylish and appealing to the public. In order to be successful, a fashion designer must have a good understanding of the latest fashion trends, as well as the ability to design clothes that are both practical and affordable. Requirements to become a fashion designer. Working as a fashion designer is a dream job for many people. However, many do not know what the requirements to become a fashion designer are. In order to become a fashion designer, one typically needs to have a bachelor's degree in fashion design. However, there are some fashion designers who do not have a formal education, but instead have many years of experience in the fashion industry. There are also fashion designers who specialize in a certain type of clothing, such as sportswear or evening wear. There is no one specific path to becoming a fashion designer. However, there are some general things that you will need to do in order to have a chance at becoming a successful fashion designer. Firstly, you need to have a strong interest in fashion. This means that you need to be up to date on the latest trends and be able to design clothes that are in style. Secondly, you need to have some design skills. This includes being able to sketch your designs, use computer software to create designs, and sew clothes. Finally, you need to have a good sense of fashion. This means that you need to be able to create clothes that look good and are comfortable to wear. While fashion designer salaries may vary depending on the level of experience and type of company, it is evident that this profession can be lucrative. With the right amount of skill and creativity, a fashion designer can expect to earn a comfortable living.